Looking out across the nighttime, city winks, a sleepless eye. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs. Get me out into the nighttime, for walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, let me take goodbye. And they say why would you tell them that it's human nature? Why would you do me that way?